It's in the morning for most of us. It's that time. Those few seconds when we're coming out of sleep, but we're not really awake yet. For those few seconds, we're something more primitive than what we're about to become. We've just slept the sleep of our most distant ancestors, and something of them and their world still clings to us. For those few moments, we are unformed, uncivilized. We are not the people we know as ourselves, but creatures more in tune with a tree than a keyboard. We are untitled, unnamed, natural, suspended between was and will be. The tadpole before the frog, the worm before the butterfly. We are, for a few brief moments, anything and everything we could be. And then, we open our eyes and the day is before us. And we become ourselves.